we're gonna need an orange. So medium-sized orange. All right, guys. This is a recipe we have been drinking over the last couple of days, and trust me, so we got the orange in the blender. So this one is beautiful. All right, we're gonna put roughly about 2 tablespoons of pineapple in it. All right, yeah, man. We're gonna get some ginger. That's the ginger. Gonna get some, either you can use a lemon or a lime. Here it is. We're gonna use lime. Straighten it. Yeah, man. That looks good, honestly. And that looks amazing. All right. Yeah. So we're gonna get some garlic. Here it is. 1, 2 cloves of garlic. That's what's gonna make the difference. All right. The only thing I'm gonna do is, Gregor, what's going on? We're gonna put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in it. Just a pinch. Lovely. All right. And then, what you want to do? All right. Yeah, girl. What's going on? Nice to see you coming on the show, yeah, girl. Long time I don't see you. Big up yourself every time. All right. So this is, you're not gonna put any liquid in it, guys. I want to drink it just like this. So it is orange, pineapple, ginger, lemon, garlic, and apple cider vinegar. You want to blend it. Let's make some noise and wake up our neighbor. Wow. Here it is. This is good, guys. Look at this. That is perfect. Wow. Man, that is really, really good. All right. As you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. So, pineapple, ginger, lemon, apple cider vinegar, and some garlic inside of it. All right. This is what you want to drink on a regular basis. 2 times a day, good. 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. This is going to boost your immune system. All right. Yeah. And you don't need to put any liquid in it. You just need to just drink it natural like this. 100%. All right, guys. As you guys can see, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, let's go into it. That is so nice. That is beautiful. Wow. Yeah. This is it. The flavor, the taste, the garlic. 100% irresistible. You know exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is 100%. This one, this is it. If you're not drinking this right now, trust me, 100%. And not only that, the garlic on the orange, guys, is amazing. It just boosts the immune system. I love this. The flavor,